Recently, I connected a new site of mine to Cloudflare, and since then, my site had stopped working on the Geo mobile network. Amazon Flex helpline number. It was working perfectly fine on other networks and ISPs, but Geo. I saw a lot of forums where people were complaining my website/blog is not opening on Reliance Geo. Even after finding the same problem discussed on some online forums, I couldn't come to any helpful solution. But then, after some more research on DNS, domain name servers, I finally found the solution to the problem. Thus, in this article, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when your site connected to Cloudflare does not open on Reliance Geo network. Firstly, I would like to clear the doubts of those who are thinking it's a ban by Geo. Well, it's not a ban. It's a simple issue related to DNS, and I will show you how to fix it quickly in this article. On Chrome, the error looks like this. The cause of this problem is very simple. When you type the URL of a site, the Reliance Geo network first queries your device's local storage to obtain the IP address associated with the domain. If it finds an IP address associated with the domain, it simply tries to resolve that IP in order to serve you the web page. But, when you change your site's name servers to Cloudflare name servers, the DNS settings change, as then your site is proxied via the Cloudflare network. Thus, when Geo queries the local storage of your phone to resolve the IP address of your domain, it gets handed the old information, and as a result, it fails to resolve the domain and forces Chrome to throw the error_name_not_resolved error. And then, Chrome shows you the message this site can't be reached. When you try to open sites that are banned by Geo, you will either see the message you are not authorized to access this web page as per the .compliance, or the connection was reset error. But in this case, the error message is server IP address could not be found, which is caused due to the old DNS cache. So as I explained before, this error occurs due to the old DNS cache stored in your phone's storage. Solution: so, in order to solve this error, you need to simply shut down your phone and restart it again. This will flush the DNS cache on your phone and the problem will be solved. I hope this article helped you fix the Cloudflare site not opening on Geo network issue. If you have any doubts regarding this article, feel free to comment down below. I will surely help you out. Do let me know if this method worked for you. Please consider sharing this article at other places on the internet so that people facing the same problem can find it faster. Have a great day ahead. Yes, the solution is very quick and easy.